to get you sneezing.
I don't need you to get it. I already know I got it.
Oh, I know.
The only time you can take them is if you want them.
Yeah.
Get shorter pants with
How
longer
many
legs.
sneezes you got for me today?
What?
How many sneezes you got for me today?
I have no idea.
Oh, that's because FedEx Ground helps you save money.
That's right,
It's the 16th one.
No, that's number 4.
That you count.
Did I count it?
I've got before you.
Let's see how many you got.
Device. Dan, you can't take a break.
We understand.
Number 5.
FedEx Ground.
Now it gives you the chills. Number 6.
And number 6. I'm
Yeah.
sick.
Number 7.
Yeah, sometimes I worry.
Sometimes I worry. What if something bad happens?
So what something bad happens? Like a bigger sneeze.
I don't think you can get any bigger sneezes. Unless you sneeze 20 times. The big one coming.
They got my back. The opportunity to worry less about fraud with a zero liability.
Well, you're fighting it off.
No.
Callahan, you're undestined. Turn in your weapon.
That's it. Only 7 that time. Oh, it's coming.
Movies just got more awesome. Download and watch them on the go at 4G speeds with the Epic 4G. The smartphone ranked #1 by PC World.
I feel it right in here.
Yeah, it's in your
Where's my
shoulder.
heart?
On the other side. Hate to disappoint you.
Well, when it's time to go, they don't care what side your heart is.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Say goodbye.